Join us in our latest recap of ActiveCollab's updates. ActiveCollab 8.0 User Cards. You'll be able to open a user's card from many places in the app, such as tasks, discussions, timesheets, workload, and so on. It will show you the essential information about each user, like their email and the teams they belong to. You can visit their full profile, but it's a great shortcut to start a chat conversation with them in seconds and discuss topics in private. ActiveCollab 8.0 Pin Discussions. Discussions are a great way to talk about various topics without clogging up the chat. We rounded up the possibility of pinning the most significant discussions to the top, so you can keep current topics and important announcements where everyone can see them. A notification dot will let you know when there are unread comments, and it will automatically disappear once you've opened the discussion to read them. Coming up, new budget options will be available in the current version as well as ActiveCollab 8.0. Find out more details on weekly, monthly, and yearly project budgets in our next recap. You'll also see the improved navigation between discussions we're developing in ActiveCollab 8.0. See you soon!